Ever felt lost in a sea of professionals, unsure of how to make that crucial first connection? Imagine turning that uncertainty into confidence, and finding mentors who can guide you every step of the way. In this video, we'll unlock the secrets to effective networking and finding mentors who will help you unlock your full potential. Stay tuned, because the skills you'll learn here could change the course of your career forever. Networking and mentorship are two critical components of professional and personal growth. Whether you are a student, a budding entrepreneur, or a seasoned professional, knowing how to network effectively and find mentors can open doors to new opportunities, provide valuable guidance, and accelerate your path to success. This guide will walk you through the essentials of effective networking and mentorship, offering practical tips and strategies to help you build meaningful connections. Networking is all about building relationships. These relationships can provide support, advice, and access to opportunities that might not be available otherwise. When done correctly, networking allows you to create a web of contacts who can help you achieve your goals. Many job openings, partnerships, and business deals are never advertised publicly. They are filled through word of mouth and personal connections. By expanding your network, you increase your chances of hearing about these hidden opportunities. Networking also facilitates professional development. Through conversations with others in your field, you can learn about new trends, technologies, and best practices. This knowledge can help you stay ahead in your career and industry. Before you start networking, it's essential to have a plan. Define your goals and what you hope to achieve. Are you looking for a job, seeking advice on a project, or wanting to expand your professional circle? Knowing your objectives will guide your networking efforts and help you connect with the right people. Industry events, conferences, and seminars are excellent places to meet like-minded professionals. These gatherings provide opportunities to engage with experts, listen to keynote speakers, and participate in discussions. Be sure to prepare by researching attendees and speakers in advance, so you know who you want to connect with. Social media platforms, particularly LinkedIn, are powerful tools for networking. Create a professional profile that highlights your skills, experiences, and interests. Join relevant groups, participate in discussions, and follow industry leaders. Engaging with content and posting regularly can help you stay visible and attract connections. Volunteering for industry-related events or organizations can provide valuable networking opportunities. It allows you to showcase your skills, work closely with others in your field, and demonstrate your commitment to the industry. Plus, it's a great way to give back to the community. After meeting someone, it's crucial to follow up to maintain the connection. Send a personalized message or email expressing your appreciation for the conversation and reiterating your interest in staying in touch. Consistent follow-ups can turn a one-time meeting into a long-term professional relationship. Understanding the role of a mentor. A mentor is someone with more experience and knowledge in a particular area who can provide guidance, advice, and support. Mentors can help you navigate challenges, set and achieve goals, and offer insights based on their own experiences. They can be invaluable resources in your personal and professional development. Look for potential mentors within your existing network, at your workplace, or in professional organizations. Ideal mentors are those who have achieved what you aspire to, possess skills and knowledge you wish to acquire, and are willing to invest time in your growth. Don't limit your search to just one mentor. Having multiple mentors can provide diverse perspectives. Approaching a potential mentor can be intimidating, but it's important to be clear and respectful. Start by expressing your admiration for their work and explaining why you think they would be a great mentor for you. Be specific about what you hope to gain from the mentorship and what you can offer in return. It's important to convey your commitment and enthusiasm. Once you've found a mentor, focus on building a strong, mutually beneficial relationship. Here are some tips to help you along the way. 1. Be respectful of their time. Mentors are often busy individuals, so it's important to be respectful of their time. Schedule meetings in advance, be punctual, and come prepared with specific questions or topics you want to discuss. 2. Show appreciation. Regularly express your gratitude for your mentor's guidance and support. A simple thank you note or acknowledging their help in a professional setting can go a long way in strengthening your relationship. 3. Be open to feedback. One of the key benefits of having a mentor is receiving honest feedback. Be open to constructive criticism and use it as an opportunity to learn and improve. Show your mentor that you value their input by implementing their suggestions and sharing your progress. 4. Stay committed. Mentorship is a two-way street that requires commitment from both parties. Stay engaged, follow through on agreed actions, and maintain regular communication. Demonstrating your dedication will encourage your mentor to continue investing in your growth. Starting conversations with strangers can be daunting. One effective strategy is to ask open-ended questions that invite the other person to share more about themselves. For example, you could ask, "What inspired you to get into your field?" Or "What projects are you currently working on?" Balancing networking and mentorship with other responsibilities can be challenging. Prioritize quality over quantity by focusing on meaningful connections and regular, but not overwhelming, communication. Set aside specific times for networking activities and mentor meetings to ensure they don't get neglected. Not everyone you approach for networking or mentorship will respond positively. Rejection is a natural part of the process. Don't take it personally, and don't let it deter you from reaching out to others. Learn from each experience and keep moving forward. Effective networking and mentorship can significantly impact your career trajectory. Connections can lead to job offers, promotions, and new business ventures. Mentors can provide guidance on career decisions, help you develop critical skills, and introduce you to influential people in your industry. Beyond professional benefits, networking and mentorship can contribute to your personal growth. Engaging with a diverse group of people broadens your perspectives, enhances your communication skills, and builds your confidence. Mentors can help you navigate personal challenges, set meaningful goals, and achieve a better work-life balance. A strong network and a reliable mentor can serve as a valuable support system throughout your career. They can provide encouragement during tough times, celebrate your successes, and offer a sense of belonging. Knowing that you have a group of people who believe in you can be incredibly motivating and empowering. Finally, networking and mentorship are powerful tools that can propel you towards your personal and professional goals. By approaching networking with a strategic mindset, leveraging various platforms and opportunities, and fostering genuine relationships, you can build a robust network that supports your ambitions. Finding and engaging mentors requires respect, commitment, and openness, but the rewards are well worth the effort. As you navigate your career, remember that the connections you make and the guidance you receive can significantly influence your success. Embrace the journey of networking and mentorship, and watch as new doors open and your horizons expand. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.